Analyze the data in your tricot project. In this video, learn how to analyze the data and to prepare feedback of the results.
Welcome back. We are now reaching the end of the tricot cycle. The farmers have planted their trials. They have made the observations and harvested the crop. The observation data have been collected and entered at climmob.net. Now we will analyze the data using climmob. This way, every farmer will find out which variety is most recommended for their farm. In this short video, we will demonstrate how to carry out this analysis with climmob. Thank you for your attention, and good luck with your results.
To start the data analysis, log on to the climmob manager and press Data Analysis. Select your project. In the analysis, climmob uses so-called Bradley-Terry models. This model converts the simple rankings by many participants into continuous values. This way, it's easy to identify which variety performed best in each characteristic. We suggest you select no more than 3 explanatory variables at the same time, due to the time it takes to calculate results. Below, tick the crop characteristics that you want to include. You can mark them all. Indicate whether you want to analyze the overall performance of the trial varieties against the participants' regular varieties. If the farmers have been asked for this information, always tick Yes. The analysis in climmob can produce 2 kinds of documents. The analysis report sums up the results for the whole project. It's intended for the facilitators and researchers. The information sheets are for the farmers. A personal sheet is produced for every participant, with the results of their own trial. Depending on the number of participants, the analysis may take a while. When the calculation is finished, a window will pop up. Download the folder reports.zip to your computer. This folder contains the results. Be sure to save it on your hard drive. Open your download folder. You cannot open this file yet. Right-click and select Extract All Documents. The new folder, called Reports, contains 2 documents. The analysis report with all the information for you, and a document with all the information sheets. This document is very long. It includes a page for every participant in your project. Let's first take a look at the analysis report. After an introduction, the project design is summarized. The number of participants, the names of the varieties that were included, and the crop characteristics that were evaluated. The first characteristic in our example is the growth type. A Bradley-Terry tree was created. Whenever there's a split, like the one you see here, it means the result varies according to one of the explanatory variables. The box on the left side represents node 2. It contains the relative values for the growth type of all 8 varieties for the farmers from District 1. On the right side in node 4 we find the values evaluated by the farmers of District 2. Finally, node 5 presents the relative values for growth type in District 3. And then the results are presented graphically. Here we see that for node 2, that is District 1, these 2 varieties had the best growth type. However, in District 2, there were 5 varieties with an almost equally good growth type. And in District 3, the winner for growth type is a different variety again. This is how the Bradley-Terry model helps to identify the best variety for every region. But there are also cases where the explanatory variables do not generate any splits. On this page, we see that the existence of irrigation did not have a significant impact on the variety's growth type. The group of farmers who had irrigated their trials and the farmers who did not have irrigation both evaluated these 3 varieties as having the best growth type. Now, the document of information sheets includes 1 page for every participant in your tricot project. This is an example. It has the farmer's name and the name of their village. After that, it reveals the names of the 3 varieties that they planted in their trial. The rankings that the participant farmer gave are repeated below. And at the end of the sheet is a recommendation about the 3 varieties that are most suited to this farmer's conditions. This information is based on all participants' observations about the overall performance of the varieties.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you to carry out the analysis of your tricot project. Now, all that's left to do is to share the results with the participating farmers and to start preparing the next cycle. We at Bioversity appreciate your comments and suggestions about your experiences with the Climat platform. Please feel free to get in touch with us via the email address below.